Just for one day. Okay. BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
Giga Jabe. Hello, good morning, and welcome back to BOOZHOO
Nanaboozhoo.
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and I'm here today, of course, with Natasha
BOOZHOO.
and Nanaboozhoo.
Okay.
And we're going to start things off with a song. How about, what do you think?
Oh, I don't know. Anything.
Okay.
La 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 la.
I would be king. And
You would be queen. Nothing
would keep
us together. We could be that forever and ever.
And we could be heroes forever and ever. What you say? And you
Me?
can be me. And
I'll drink all the time.
'cause we're lovers.
That is a fact. 'Cause we're lovers. That is that. Nothing
Would keep us
together.
We could beat them just for one day.
Na, na, na.
And we could be heroes forever and ever.
What you say?
Oh,
We could be heroes just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day. One day, one
we
day.
could be heroes
Just for one day. We could be heroes just for one
nothing.
And no one will help us.
Maybe we're lying.
Better not stay.
It's time to go. It's better that way.
Na, na, na. Do, 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 do. We can be heroes just for one day.
All right. So that is 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
3 minutes and 40
seconds.
seconds.
That I would like to sing for you.
BOOZHOO.
Sing them something for the live stream. This one goes out to the BOOZHOO crew and to Wisani for being first in class. Now I don't know what I want to play. Was that who was that? Tom Petty, I think.
Down from, leave your money at home. Somebody holds a key.
Oh, I love this song.
You are the reason I've been waiting so long.
Diane's the reason I've been waiting so long.
Somebody must
Me no giga shape, Diane.
Well, I'm near the end
holds the key. You are the reason I've been waiting so long. Somebody holds the key. Well, I'm near the end and I just ain't got the time. Oh,
Bonjour, MJ.
now I'm wasted and I can't find my way home.
You can't read lips? Yeah, I know.
Na 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 na.
Danielle Pisano. Shkoda. Shkodake. Bonjour Nanaboozhoo. Can you teach us, grandmother? Mine has made her journey to the other camp. Oh no.
Thank you.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, how about a song I actually know?
Hold on a second here. Bonjour. Danielle Pisano. Paisano. I think it's paisano. I think that's Italian for brother. Oh, is paisano Italian for Nietzsche? Yeah, I think so. Hey, Danielle. Daniela. Paisano. Bonjour. I'm so sorry to hear about your grandmother. She writes, Shoda gay. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, can you teach us, grandmother? Mine has made her journey to the other camp. Oh, sorry. Yeah. In Ojibwe, Nukomis is grandmother. I would call my grandmother Ni Nukomis, my grandmother. Nukomis. And, wow. That's no small thing to lose your grandmother, you know. We both lost our grandmothers, huh? Yep. They've long gone, started their journeys, and made the trip. Yep. You think I should go outside and maybe say a prayer? Why don't you teleport? Go say a prayer. All right. Can you teleport me outside? Sure. Danielle, I'm going to go outside and say a little prayer for your Nukomis, Gi Nukomis, your grandma. All right, you ready, sweetie? Yep. 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Okay, go on. Snowing just a little bit. Oh, how joyous. Still snowing in the middle of March. Look out, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Well, Daniel, I'm sure you know about our offering tobacco and that. I like to offer tobacco when I pray. I don't always just smoke a pipe or whatever. I'll offer tobacco to the Creator to hear my prayer, and I'll just sprinkle it on the ground, you know. Let the birds carry it up there. But get your money though. I'm praying on behalf of, I'm praying for Daniel Paisanos, Nukomis. So I want to say, Odapana niwi asema, get your money though. Accept my tobacco, Great Spirit. Miigwech ka iji gakina gegu, ka iji chikean oma nungom. Thank you for everything you do here today. Thank you for everything you do here today. Miigwech ka iji bamadazayan. Thank you for this life. Daga widuka wishanando menawe nungom. Please, help me to speak well today. Miigwech gagage niwi gashkenda moen. Thank you for healing my grief. Nimigwachiwandam gitchimanadu. I'm grateful, Great Spirit. Ape and gay. Amen. P.S. I forgot to mention Danielle's Nukomis. Kitchimanado. Danielle's grandma's, as you know, like I'm telling the creator something he doesn't already know. She started her journey. So I put out my tobacco to pray that she'll have a good journey on her way to the land of everlasting happiness. That's what we call heaven in Ojibwe. Gagage Minowana Gozi Ge winning. Gagage Minowana Gozi Ge winning. The land of everlasting happiness. Even though it's a really sad time for the living people when they got to say goodbye, it's not a sad day. It's a very happy day when your grandmother starts her journey. You should be very happy for your grandma. They say in the land of everlasting happiness. Sometimes we call it Abian, heaven. But I like to think of it, Abian, as being in the heaven. Your grandma is Abian. Your grandma's in heaven. I hope. I'm assuming she was a pretty good grandma. Let's operate on the assumption your old grandma was a good grandma. But yeah, it's happy day for grandmas when they go home. That's what my grandma and grandpa used to call it. And so I'm ready to go home. And they'd say that while they were sitting in their house. But my grandma was ready to go she didn't want to die. My grandmother wasn't suicidal. But she, she was ready. She was anxious, she told me once. She goes, oh, yeah, I'm anxious to go. I'll miss my family. But then, and then she looked at a picture of my grandpa. She goes, she wanted to go. When your grandmother opens her eyes in heaven, she's going to look down, and for a second, she's not going to recognize her own body. Because she's going to have a heavenly body. She's going to be gorgeous. And yeah, I know your grandmother is beautiful. Everybody's grandma's beautiful. My old grandma, she had that thin kind of old lady perm at the end of her life. Thin hair, all permed up and sprayed into this little Q-tip of a puff ball on top of her head. And so we'd be like, oh, your hair looks very nice today, Grandma. Oh, you're so beautiful. But she did kind of look like the crypt keeper. Remember that from Tales from the Crypt? So when she opens her eyes, she's going to have this gorgeous, beautiful, heavenly body, they say. She's going to be at her most beautiful. You'll probably recognize her when you get there. Will you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Yeah, she's going to know your name right away. But you're going to see like this young, gorgeous, heavenly angel. And you'll be like, Grandma? And for just a split second, you're going to go, oh, wow. I didn't even recognize you with your heavenly body. But I know today is going to be a very lonesome, sad day for your family. So, Kitchimanadu, why don't you check in on Danielle's family and make sure that they remember the good times today, and it helps comfort them in this time. Go out, say a little prayer, put out some tobacco for your grandma. One of the things I like to, I always pray is, Miigwech gagage niwi gashkenda moen. Gashkenda moen. You probably might have heard, Nin gashkendam, oh, I'm sad. Nin gashkendam, I'm sad. But gashkenda moen, that's the language of sadness. That's grief. And it says, thank you for healing my grief. Sometimes I think it's good. You can ask the Creator to help you heal from grief. And He will, He's not going to just bring your grandma back to life, but He'll help super glue your heart back together when it breaks. Anyway. Aho miigwech gichimanadu ape inge. Amen. Oh, it's pretty out here. There was a man walking down a frozen beach, looking out over the ice. And he looked down and there were two footprints. Two sets of footprints. And he went, oh wow, look, there's that guy and Jesus walking in footprints in the sand. Only here it was the footprints in the snow. I keep on thinking of that. I wonder if your grandmother had one of those framed poems like my grandma. It seems to me everybody's grandma at some point in their life framed this little, I don't even know where it comes from. It's not in the Bible. But it's a little story or poem that guy goes to heaven and he's looking back on his life. And he sees how two footprints in the sand where he was walking with Jesus the whole time. Except during the hard times, the really bad times. There was only one set of footprints in the sand there. And he goes to Jesus and he's like, hey, what happened during the bad times? It looks like I was on my own. That old Jesus, he goes, no, that's when I carried you. That's when I had to pick you up and throw you over my shoulder. Maybe go outside and put out some tobacco, say a little prayer, and tell the Creator, hey, get ready. I might need a piggyback ride for a few days here. My old grandma just passed away. My nose is running. It's cold out here. I think it's like 8 degrees or something in Bemidji this morning. Brr. Well, I suppose. So babe. Sup, babe. Sup, babe. That's my Sabe call. I'm hoping to call out Sabe Bigfoot. I don't see any Bigfoot tracks. All right, I'm going back. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Nanaboozhoo. Ready to come home? Yeah, can you pick me up? Well, sure. Hang on, that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Nah. Hey, welcome back. Thank you so much. Did you put out some tobacco? I did. You're a good dude. I'm just a praying dude. Right. That sounds like a Prince chord. Yeah, it does. You know, like what Prince had played? Oh, yeah. Stop crying cause she knew he was going to stay. 10:30 What? I like that song.
10:35
On a lonely Friday night.
I don't know.
What?
It's still recording, but I'm just not feeling it.
Just not feeling the
Oh,
groove.
it's all set up. I don't know what to say.
He's lost his mojo.
Playing.
How about you play something?
All right, one last
Some
time.
Kiss tunes.
It's an old classic.
Am I the only one who still
Old
loves
classic
Kiss?
tune from back in the days of
Of
the
the
grandfathers.
grandfathers.
Ooh, na, 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 na. Ooh, baby, baby, na, na, na. What do you say?
But
It's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it one day. When I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say
this was the price I paid.
ooh, ah, na, 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 yeah. Sometimes
So it goes, or so they
say
Time's like a mountain
scale,
and I don't know, but I
can't
can't
complain. God knows I've got my own escape. But sometimes I just might,
even in the middle of the night. Sometimes, some days, sometimes, well, I
wake and bake, na 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 na, hey, okay, na na na, yeah.
all right.
All right, how's it gonna be
When you don't know me.
Na, na. Ooh, ah,
That thing about a hurricane. I didn't know you knew country tunes. Or wait.
Yeah, that's
La-dee-dum.
Oh, that's really good coffee, sweetie.
Oh, thank you. I made it myself.
Let us be lovers, we'll marry our fortunes together.
Oh,
I've got some real estate here in my bag. No, I don't know.
Here in my bag, I got some real estate.
here in my bag. So I bought a pack of cigarettes.
Do 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 do.
Comes another.
Do. I don't know. Hey, John Redcorn's here, sweetie.
Oh, really? Who's you, John?
Let's going on, John? Mino gigaje, gakina awaya. Good morning, everybody, he says. Good morning, John. Anin, BOOZHOO crew. Hello, BOOZHOO crew. All my relatives, oh. Every time John enters a room, it's like he's conducting an Ojibwe ceremony. Yeah. All my relatives, behold, Inashke. No. Good to see you, buddy. Oh, who else is here? James Shagobe. James Shagobe. Jimmy Shaggy. Jimmy Shoggs. Back in the old country, we called him Jimmy Shoggs. He came to America and started calling himself James Shagobe. But to me, back in the old neighborhoods, he'll always be Jimmy Shaggs. Shut up. Here in my... Hey, we haven't given out any stars yet, sweetie. Should we give a gold star to somebody? Sani was the first one in class. Well, BOOZHOO was Sani, first in class, first for the gold star. And who's in second? That old hippie Diane. That greasy hippie? Yep. BOOZHOO, Diane. Good morning, Diane. How about a silver star for good-looking Diane? For that good-looking ginger. And for MJ. And MJ is coming in third place. MJ gets a bronze star. BOOZHOO, MJ. Today is Ojibwe word of the... You know it's floor washing day, don't you? Oh, that's right. It's Saturday. Gazibigi, saginagay, gishagud. Gazibigi, saginagay, gishagud. The floor washing day. Traditional Anishinaabe women on this day will typically take out the mop and wash the floors. I don't even own a mop. Okay, you can take out the broom. How about I take out the vacuum cleaner and the vacuum cleaner? Actually, can you clean up the cat box stuff? Yeah, I'll take care of the cat box. I gotta dump out all the last cat box cleaning from the vacuum cleaner. Okay, thanks. I'll make you a sandwich. You can do the vacuuming. All right. See, that's how we do it. We split up the chores. This is how we keep from killing each other. Everybody's got their own chores. Me, I clean up after the cat. Natasha, she makes the food and coffee. Michael, what do you do? I play the guitar. He plays the guitar. You know. So, how are you today, BOOZHOO crew? It occurred to me the other day. Oh, MJ is like, how did Diane get my silver star? Oh, do we give Diane the silver star? Yeah, well, Diane beat you here, MJ. That's how she got it. She got up earlier than you. Is MJ crying around? Yep, MJ's crying around. MJ doesn't like the bronze star. well, excuse me. Is that Steve Martin? Yeah. Because I am a wild and crazy gal. You are a wild and crazy gal. Tracy Wilkie's here too. Hey, BOOZHOO, Tracy. What's going on, Tracy? Nice to see you. Oh, Cousin Missy's finally up. Oh, she finally rolled out of bed? Good morning. Don't speak too loud. She's all hungover. No, she's not. Are you okay, Cousin Miss? This is the morning after I always want to call it Valentine's Day. St. Patrick's Day. Yeah. They should call this St. Hangovers Day. Yeah, now it's St. Hangover. It shows me second on mine. Oh, really? Well, isn't that interesting? What are you going to do, sweetie? It's too late. I already put the sticker on. It's just a sticker. Come in tomorrow, a little earlier. Diane says, greasy, but good looking. Diane wants to know if she's greasy or good looking. Okay, I'll take it. Why do I get all these backhanded compliments that aren't really compliments? Yeah. Because then you know the good parts are sincere. That's what backhanded compliments are good for. It's like, you're the most beautiful greasy hippie I've ever known. Yeah. It's not her fault she became a greasy hippie. And anyway, anybody on the phone this morning, sweetie?
Joe Biden's on line 2.
Again, he just called in last night. Yeah, he's on line 2 again. If I'm crying out loud. What's the presidential theme song?
La
dee dee da dee dee dum, da dee da 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 dum. Okay, hey, welcome to the show, Mr. President Biden. You're on live on our Saturday show. Welcome to the show.
Oh, come on, man. Why can't you just answer your phone like a regular person, man? I mean, come on, Jack.
Good morning, Mr. President. How are you this morning?
Huh? Who is this?
It's Nanaboozhoo. You called here last night.
I did what now?
You called here last night during our evening live stream, and you were carrying on about, I don't know, I think you called me fat.
Oh, did he call you fat?
Yeah, he called me fat.
You're fat, Jack.
I'm not fat. You're fat.
I ain't fat. I ride the bicycle. And you wanna arm wrestle? I'll arm wrestle you, Jack. I mean, come on. No fooling. I'll arm wrestle you.
No, I don't want to arm wrestle an 80-year-old man. 85. How old is he now? I don't know. He's really old. So, what can I do for you this morning?
Well, I want to learn the Ojibwe word of the day. Come on, man. What's the Ojibwe word of the day? I'm serious. No fooling. I want to learn. That's not a joke.
Okay. Well, today's Saturday. Gizibigi Saginagay Gijagud. It's floor washing day.
Floor washing who now? What?
In the Ojibwe Anishinaabe, when we decided to translate the word Sunday, we translated it into floor washing day because Sundays are kind of a janitorial day, I think, from the boarding school era.
What's a boarding school then?
You know, the Indian boarding schools where the Indian kids had to go off and learn English and all that.
Oh, yeah, I remember that. I used to call them little redskins.
Yeah, well, that's incredibly offensive.
No, man, I like the Indians. They're the redskins. I'm all like, yeah, hey, look at my legs. I got hair. You want to rub the hair on my legs?
Yeah, no, nobody wants to rub hair on your legs.
And I know something about cockroaches. And I love children. And I love them rubbing my legs and sniffing my hair. Is that Natasha's? Is that Pert Plus?
No, we went over this last night. It's Suave coconut. Suave coconut shampoo?
Yeah, he thinks he can smell my shampoo.
Would you quit sniffing my girlfriend?
No, I'm just kidding. No fooling. That's not a joke. I was just kidding.
What?
Now I'm confused. What else you got there, Jack?
Well, how about I teach you the phrase for I will see you again. Gigawabamin Minowa.
Gigawada who now?
Gigawabamin means I'll see you.
Gigawabamin.
And then Minowa is again. I will see you again. Gigawabamin Minowa.
Gigawabamin Minawa. I'll see you again. No, that's not a joke. I mean,
What's happening? He fell asleep again. Mr. President.
Huh? Who is that?
It's Jack.
Oh, hey, Jack. What you want?
You called me. I fell asleep on the phone again.
Oh, I gotta go. How do you say goodbye in Ojibwe?
I just told you. It's Gigawabamin, Minowa.
Don't you take that tone with me, boy. I take you out behind the tool shed.
Now wrap this bike chain around your neck. Okay, let's now say it. Gawabamin. Huh? If you want to do like a short gigawabamin, minawa, lots of times old timers just be like, gawabamin. You know. Sometimes I just go, gawabi. No, you don't. Toodaloo. Toodaloo. What language is toodaloo? I think it's Norwegian. Toodaloo. I like Norwegian. I studied the Norwegian language for a full year in college. Did you really? Let me hear you say something in Norwegian. I don't know anything in Norwegian. But you studied it for a year. I know, but I haven't practiced in a while. Let's see. Kunne du være så snill og sende meg salt og pepper? What is that? Could you be so kind as to pass the salt and pepper? Hey, that's awesome. Yep. So if I'm ever in Norway and I want someone to hand me the salt and pepper, I'm ready. Hey, what if you're in Minnesota and your cousin wants to hand you a $5 bill? What? Missy just gave us a $5 chat. Oh, no, she didn't. Missy, what am I going to do with you? Don't point at her. Thank you so much. Chi miigwech, cousin Miss. We appreciate the super chat. Good old Missy, you're there for a 5 spot. And that's no joke. Yeah, no, it really isn't. Michael, what would you have done if somebody had given you a $5 tip in your guitar case when you were a little sidewalk guitar busker? I would have thanked him very much and dedicated a song to him. We should dedicate a song to cousin Missy. Okay, how about the outro song will be for Missy? All right. Our outro song is going to cousin Missy, if we remember. Yeah. I'm Crowegian, says Danielle. Oh, no way. She's a Crowegian. She's a mixed blood. Awesome. You know, I've got some OJIBERISH or whatever. My niece's mom is a Norwegian. My brother's first wife. He has 2 kids. We're both little mixed bloods. Little Wisakode Wininies. Wisakode Winini. In the Anishinaabe language, our term for a person of mixed ancestry is not half-breed. Ugh, bunch of racists. It's Wisakode Winini, and it means a person of mixed ancestry. A Wisakode Winini. Michael used to have a really cool cartoon of what Paul Bunyan and Babe's kid would look like. Oh, yeah. It was like a half blue bull girl. Or no, she was like a minotaur. She had the bottom half of a bull, top half of a cute girl, but she had blue skin and horns. And she was a Wisakode Winini, a mixed blood. Ah, mixed blood, says Diane. Exactly. Much like Michael's very expensive children's book. And the play that Diane and Michael. So confusing. Yeah. Directed. Remember that, Diane? Bunch of little vampires running around. I wish I had a picture of oh yeah, I do. Here it is. A Mixed Blood. Oh, A Mixed Blood by Michael Lyons. A Mixed Blood is a story of a Wisakode Winini, a mixed-blooded child of a vampire and an elf. A Mix's mom is an elf, and her dad is a vampire. And her sister's a full-blooded vampire, but she's a mixed blood. And in this book, written by Michael Lyons, don't buy it because for some reason it's $40 now on Amazon. It's insane. Why haven't you fixed that yet, Michael? I don't care. But Santa Claus is the bad guy. There's an alien disguised as a mummy named Steven. There's Amix and her mom. Her sexy sister. Hey! Well, she is. Don't blame me. I like vampires. Anyway, so yeah, so mixed-blooded people, person of mixed ancestry. You know, it's interesting. There are certain things that Indian people never ask me, and occasionally white people ask me, that always feels kind of racist or kind of ignorant or something. What's that? Number one, they ask me how much Indian I am. Yeah. Like, why? Why do you want to know what blood quantum I am? You know, I was like, oh, how much Indian are you? How much is that Indian in the window? Ruff, ruff. The one with the waggly tail. You know. But it's not a thing among Indian people. Indian people are never asking each other, hey, how much? Once in a while, you'll be like on a res with a bunch of Indians, and they'll start talking about the white blood they have. They go, oh, yeah, my grandmother was from Ireland. And Indians are always kind of proud to talk about, oh, no, yeah, no, I have French fur trader blood. That's why your last name is French, But nobody's sitting there going, okay, who's the most Indian? That's not really a thing in Indian communities like I think white people think. I think white people think that full-blooded Indians are, in charge. Or highly revered by the rest of us. Oh, look, there goes that FBI. That full-blooded Indian. Yeah. But I think non-Indians are like, oh, wow. Wally Bear's coming in with some Chinese characters. Is he a Japanese? He's a Japanese. He's Chinese. Domo arigato, Mr. Walibero. Domo arigato, Mr. Robato. Domo. Domo. Thank you very... Oh, that says thank you. How do you say hello in Japanese? You say aso. No, you don't. Oh, Daniel goes friggin' big Indian. Yeah, I was thinking that, but I didn't want to swear. For the FBI? Yeah. There's another meaning to the term FBI on a reservation. It doesn't mean full-blooded Indian. It's freaking big Indian. I've known some big Indians in my time. I've known some Nephilim. Yeah. It was, what's his face from White Earth? He was like 6'8". Yeah, he was huge. And then old Willie was like 6'4". There was some big guy. I remember one time. Do I want to tell this story? Why not? Yeah, why not? Wally Bear, do you remember Will St. Cyr? I had a buddy named Will who was a great big... In fact, Will looked a lot like... what's his name in Powwow Highway? Oh, Gary Sargent? Not Gary Sargent, he's the hockey player. Gary Farmer. Yeah. Remember Gary Farmer in Powwow Highway? Big old long-haired FBI. And Willie looked just like that. He had really beautiful, long, black... And he just looked like a classic movie star Indian, And he was big and tough. And he worked security at the tribal college and at the most of the powwows. He'd be the head of security. And he was our lead singer on the drum, stuff like that. When Will would sing, man, it sounded like Tarzan. Also a really great artist. He could carve deer antlers. Yeah, Wally Bear remembers him. Yeah. And great artist, great singer, great security guy. And I remember I was at a powwow once, and these two ladies got into a fight. And Willie had to go over there and just bear hug one of them, pull her away, and he just has arms wrapped around her, and he held her, not hurting her, until she calmed down. She's like swearing and trying to kick the other girl, and then he let her go. Came back to the drums, sat down, and I looked at him, and he wasn't looking at any of us. His adrenaline had gotten up so high that he was trying not to cry. Aww. Yeah. And I thought, man, that guy is so tough. Because it bothered him having to break up that fight. And so I looked at him and I go, quit your crying here, baby. You did not. Anyway. So, what do we got going on here, sweetie? Hey, can you do me a favor? Well, sure. What would you like me to do? Could you Google a phone number for me? Yeah, sure. Who'd like me to call? Could you call Keith Richards from the Rolling Stones? Well, yeah, I can call Keith. Hang on. I want to get Keith Richards on the phone. He's the lead guitarist of the band, the Rolling Stones. For you kids who have no sense of history and taste in music. Okay, it's ringing. Hello? Hi, is this Keith Richards? Well, hello, Keith. This is Natasha from the... Yeah, that's right. From the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Yep. Yeah, say, do you want to be on the show this morning? NANABOOZHOO wants to talk to you. Okay, hang on. I'm going to translate you. I'm going to what's that called? Transfer. Transfer. Hang on. Okay, I forgot the word transfer. Okay, sweetie's on line 2. Keith Richards, welcome back to the show. You're on the air.
Oh, hello, mate. What's on your mind? That's all the early bird said, but on my, I was all out walking around. That's yeah, I ain't one of it. What the potato?
Sweetie?
He says it's awfully early for you to be calling him, and that you're lucky to even get him, that he was out partying all night for St. Patrick's Day, and that he's just now about to go to bed.
How do you understand him?
I don't know. I can't believe you can't.
Oh, so sorry for calling. I'm glad I didn't wake you.
Oh, that's right. I'm trying to think about that.
Yeah, okay. So, Keith, I wanted to call you because, why did I want to call him?
You had a question about Keith Richards. That I can't remember.
Yeah. Did you go out last night?
Oh, yeah, I was playing with man. Rock and roll, it was, huh?
He says he's out playing with the band, rocking and rolling and carrying it on.
You're still doing that, huh?
That's right. Rolling Stone, yeah, huh?
He says, that's right. A Rolling Stone gathers no moss.
Oh, okay. So, Keith, okay. I got nothing for Keith.
All right.
Keith, would you like to learn some, oh, here, I know. Keith Richards, Anin, AJAIAN.
Huh?
I said, Anin, AJAIAN, how are you?
Oh, all right, man. I was playing with him today. Well, I was supposed to have a...
He says he's all right, mate. He's got his good days, his bad days, but he can't complain.
Oh, okay. Would you like to learn how to say that in Ojibwe?
He said, sure. Can you repeat it?
Oh, you bet. Anin, AJAIAN.
Yep, he said it.
Oh, okay. Very good. And then I would say, I'm good. Mino aya, miigwech. Thank you.
He says that's really interesting, and he's glad you called, and he likes learning, but he's got to go to bed now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry. I'm gonna have to let you go. Here's another phrase, Mr. Sir Keith Richards.
Did he become was he knighted like all those other English guys?
I assume. Were you knighted?
Oh, yeah, oh, God, what was that?
He says he was never knighted. He's a guitar player, not a queen, something for the queen.
Oh, that's good to hear. I always thought that was silly. When we say goodbye, we don't say goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Gigawa ba min, minawa.
Oh, yeah, mate. Oh, thank God, I'm gonna be I'll say that. That's what I do.
He says bye.
What? Okay. See ya, Keith. I should have known better. I can never understand what he's saying.
Yeah.
Snag. Single Native American guy. Is that what snag means?
Yeah, I never knew it.
Wally Bear. It's a beast of burden, says Danielle. You'll never be a beast of burden.
I got to do. My feet are hurting.
Never, 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 never be. That's one of my favorite Stone songs.
Even more than, well, I saw her today at the reception.
A glass of wine in her hand. Excuse me. A cup of coffee in her hand. Wally Bear says, today. No, it ain't. Tomodachi. Ohio, Wally. Tomodachi. I think the BOOZHOO crew's having their own conversation.
Yep.
That's Japanese for friend. Oh, Tomodachi. Sweetie, you're my best Tomodachi.
Ah, sweetie, you're my Tomodachi.
Yaso. Oh. Here's my racist impersonation of every Asian.
Is that what makes it racist?
Yeah. Oh. Hello there, Daniel-san. How you doing?
That's Godzilla. Japanese, Chinese, whatever.
Yeah, where's Godzilla come from?
I think that's Chinese. That's China.
Okay. Godzilla. Look out, here comes Godzilla. Like that's when they just lazily translate Japanese movies in English. Hey, Jim's here, sweetie.
Well, bonjour, Jim.
What's going on, Jim? That old Jim, he plays joke. He go pee-pee in my Coke.
Hey, shut up.
Well, sweetie, I don't know if I got anything else going on this morning.
Should we send the crew out with a kiss tune?
I think that's a great song, or a great idea. Michael, you got a kiss tune for Cousin Missy? Yeah, I think so. Hey guys, miigwech, gabiz and dawieg. Oh, hey, wait, before we go, if you'd like to support the show, miigwech Cousin Missy for the $5 super chat. During the live streams, we accept super chats. Otherwise, click the links in the description box. We have a Patreon, PayPal, and GoFundMe. Teespring sells cups, t-shirts, posters, what have you.
What have you?
And I burp for a living.
No, get out of here.
Otherwise, miigwech gabiz and dawieg. Thank you for listening. Dash miigwech gano wabieg. And thank you for watching. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO by Michael Lyons. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Where's the song, sweetie? I wanted that to blend in seamlessly, and now I lost the song.
You lost the song.
Yeah. Here we go.
Operator by Jim Croce.
And to close out the show, what do you think, Natasha? Should we do another Kiss song?
Well, yeah, gotta do a Kiss tune.
All right.
Well, why not?
Now you're talking.
All right.
Woo! Yeah,
Thanks for
yeah.
watching, everybody. Back tomorrow.
And you show us everything you got. You keep on dancing and the room gets hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You say you wanna go for a spin. The party just begun, we'll let you in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. What? You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
You keep on saying you'll be mine for a while. Looking fancy and I like your style. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
Almost. Take it away, Benjamin.
You say you wanna go for a spin. The party just begun, let me in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting.
Huh?
What? No. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Yeah.
You have been watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO
You sure have.
podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. This is the whole gang.
BOOZHOO!
Okay.
We'll see you again. Giga Waba Min, Minowa. Hoa.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
oh, hikes. That was great.
That was really fun.
Ba-da-dum-ba.
Thank you. Good night.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, yeah. Click the link.
Oh, jeez.
All right.